Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you turn on your mic or how can you allow your microphone on Zoom application. So this video is quite interesting and simple to do. What you have to do, you just have to check that if you have microphone enabled on your Zoom application from the app permission of your Android mobile phone. So if not, you just have to enable it and your microphone will start working on your Zoom application. So guys, what happened is in Android phone there is a lot of application and every application has its own permissions in your Android phone. Suppose this is Pinterest application, so ever I will install it in my phone, I need to allow some permission for this app. Like if this is Pinterest, so it will demand for storage, it will demand for gallery, it will demand for camera. Okay, and if we are using Zoom, in Zoom application what are important is microphone, your location, your camera, your gallery, and many more. How can we just open it? Like this is Zoom, you just have to tap it for 3 or 4 seconds, click on the app information on the second, and here you will find a lot of settings here like open, force stop, uninstall, storage usage, data usage, battery, and many more. You have to click on the permission option here like this, and in permission you can see in denied permission there is microphone. That's why we cannot hear any type of sound or my mic is not working on my application because this is denied from here. I will click on the microphone, click on the allow button, and yes, my mic is on now. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.